Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact Google Analytics support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, you just need to go and register if you don't have one. Now, after that, let's see guys what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the home screen, the reports, Explore and advertising button, and in the bottom left corner we have the admin panel. But guys, also in the top right corner, as you can see, we have the everything about your profile, so all more things there. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact Google Analytics support. So it's pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So guys, how you can do it actually is go to the top right corner of this screen, so be on the home screen, so not on the reports, not on Explore, advertising, be on the home screen. Now click, as I said, in the top right corner, we have the question mark here. When you click on the question mark, you have three options: learn about this page, get more help, or send feedback. What we will be concentrating on is the button in the middle, get more help. Click on there, and here, as you can see, we have the support, which is down here, where you can go ask the help community and contact us, where you can go and contact the support. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.